Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to crop the video in CapCut. Firstly, we will open the CapCut app. After this, we will click on the new project. After this, we will choose one video. After this, we will click on it. After this, we will click on it and then we will search for edit. After this, we will click on the edit. After this, we will click on the crop and then we will crop the video according to our requirement. So we will crop the video like this. Then we will click on it and the video will crop automatically. Then we will save the video. So this is how we can crop the video in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.